What's up guys, today we are detailing the Porsche Taycan because we just came back from our 2023 Euro tour and I really want to show you how this thing looks because it looks quite dirty and she definitely needs a detail and some attention basically. And with just we cleaned the car. Now the car is all clean on the outside, but that was the easy part. Anyone can do this, anyone can get a dirty car looking clean on the outside, but I want you guys to get as much value as possible from this video, and I want to teach you how to get rid of these indentations here. So this could be only me, but I'm a seat freak, and what I mean by that is that I hate seeing wear on my seats. I already showed you guys how I take active care of this side bolster. You can check that in this video, but this part, these indentations always appear after I sit for a longer period of time, but I found a way to get rid of them and the seat could look brand new again. So first up, clean up your space. I will get the seat just a bit back so you can see it better. Now, what is the engineering behind this? Leather is an elastic material which is able to dilate when it's hot and contract a little bit when it's cold. And this is the method that I will apply. In order for leather to be elastic, it has to be wet or at least damp. And with a detailing brush and some all-purpose cleaner, you spray on the brush, and if I would do a 50-50, you could clearly see that the leather gets a matte finish because all the oils that I have will clean up. Basically the foam underneath needs to go up, and the only way is for the leather to interact with the foam is to do these movements. You can do a first wipe down, and you can already see that the finish is more matte. You can clearly see a difference with the first pass, and we will do another one just to see if it gets any better. Now you can see basically everything is perfect. Now you can see some quite smooth bump lines, but it's a lot better than when you saw it first. And this is how I do it on a monthly basis in order to keep my seat basically brand new. Now this could be only me, but I have pretty oily hands and I get this steering wheel very shiny very fast, and I have to clean it more often than not, and I will show you how to do it, how I do it basically. I've put masking tape just to see the difference because it's quite big. So as you can see, there is already a noticeable difference, but I want to show you how I get it cleaned. And with gentle moves, you start doing rotational moves just to get into the texture of the steering wheel. On the back doesn't really matter, but of course you have to pay attention as well. And I will do that for the rest of the steering wheel. Don't forget the back too, and also these sides right here. It's not really a problem if you get this part wet. Just don't get the buttons wet because they will not work anymore, and you have to disassemble the buttons and clean from the corrosion. It happened already twice with cars of my customers, so be very careful with liquids on your steering wheel. Only apply them on plastic parts. With your microfiber cloth, you just get this as dry as possible, but because I have compressed air, I will also do a compressed air tour just to get the finish that I want. You can see the difference. It's pretty noticeable from a darker gray to a lighter gray, and also it has less shiny finish. You can see this pretty clearly here. And let's finish this car and go home.